So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say I want to go ahead and add in some notes for this particular image so that I can recall some information later on, or let it be like a note for other editors. In that case, you can go around over here onto window right here and then go to the note section. So once you go around onto note, you can see that you get a place where you can go ahead and write down your notes right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, in the author, I'm going to go around and type in TutuTube right here. And over here, I'm going to go around and type in notes. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say, this is a picture of a binocular right here, which I need to edit for a magazine cover piece right here, just like this. So let's just go around and change this out, and you can see that this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now this is a note that you have right here. So now you don't have to do anything with the note right here. It is simply there as a reference. So if I were to go around onto Windows, onto notes right here, just like this. So let's just go around onto notes. Then you see the text information as you like, just like this, as you can see right here. So this is there as a note for this particular file right here, which is attached out, just like itself. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.